Hey, my name is General Banto and I will discuss intact stability and low stability. Welcome to this presentation on the critical topic of ship safety. Today, I will discussing the importance of taking immediate action in case of partial loss of you may know. Buoyancy is what keeps a ship float and stable. However, if there is partial loss of intact buoyancy, it can have ca- catastrophic consequences for the ship and its crew. That is why it is essential to take safe and decisive action to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of everyone on board.